We are going to be talking about interesting things like air masses and fronts.
Let's get started. An air mass is a large body of air whose properties of temperature and humidity at any given altitude are similar in any horizontal direction.
Front border air masses, there are types of fronts such as cold fronts, air fronts, and occluded fronts, and stationary fronts.
Winds. Winds are moving air. Wind is moving air. People use bars to predict weather and wind movement. There are westerlies and easterlies. Weather symbols. There are different symbols. Weather symbols. There are different symbols for different types of weather. People use and study symbols to explain. Continental tropical is hot and dry. Maritime polar is cold. Most maritime tropical is warm. Polar latitudes are located 60 degrees north and south. Tropical latitudes are located around 25 degrees of the equator. Continental is dry and located over large land masses, while maritime airs are moist and located over oceans. There is continental polar air, which gives off cool and dry. Thank you for listening to our school project.